There are lots of words in Te Reo Māori that have a whaka prefix. Whaka Māori is to translate something into Māori or to cause something to be Māori. And a kai whaka Māori is a Māori language translator. And whakapākehā is to translate something into English. Whakaingoa is to name someone or something, as in to cause them to have a name. And whakaahua is to represent or make a likeness, and as a noun it's a picture or a photograph or a copy. Whakatane is to make someone a man, and so the name of the town, Whakatane, comes from the story of a woman named Wairaka who rescued a canoe, and usually it was tapu for a woman to handle a canoe, but she said, "Kia whakatane o ia o, I will make myself a man." Whakautu is to reply. Whakauru is to enroll, literally to cause to enter, and so you might whakauru in a course at a wānanga. Rere means ready, and whakarere is to prepare something, to cause it to be ready. I whakarere a hemi, I ngā kai, Hemi prepared the food, he got it ready. Marama is to understand, and whakamarama is to explain something, to cause it to be understood. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. Rongo is to hear, whakarongo is to cause something to be heard, i.e. to listen. I means yes, and whaka-I is to agree, to cause something to be yes. Yeah, whaka-I. Whaka can also be used with locatives to indicate direction. Whakamua, forward, ahead, to the front. And whakaronga, upwards, upstream. Whakararo, downwards, downstream. And we can use a word with whaka after a verb to indicate direction. Titaro whakamuri, look back, look behind. Look behind you, look, it's the witch, look behind you. Haere whakaroto, go inside. Haere whakawaho, go outside. And whakamuri is to go backwards or to the rear or in reverse. Haere whakamuri, go backwards, reverse. It's like when you're driving along and you come across a Tyrannosaurus Rex and they like start chasing you, and everyone in the car goes, whakamuri, whakamuri, oh God, the Tyrannosaurus Rex is coming. Rah, 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 no, whakamuri faster. Hate it when that happens.